Yeah, dog. Say dog. Say dog. I think this is the first time that she's been like really like interested, you know what I mean? Like not just like looking at them for a second. Yeah. She's playing with a ball.
The ball has cheese inside it. Hello.
Yeah, good, see? Yeah.
More.
More what?
More what? More dog? You got it.
Yeah. Aw.
I've honestly never seen Bo more interested in something that other than a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Harry's coming inside. Everybody's gonna go nuts.